Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to show how you can enable Apple ProRAW on your iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. It's worth noting that ProRAW is one of the biggest highlights of iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. What makes this feature stand out is the ability to offer the dream combo of computational photography smarts and the flexibility of RAW editing. You have already heard of the RAW photo format. This sits towards the pro end of the photo format spectrum because these files are almost completely unprocessed. The downside is their size and complexity, but the considerable benefit is the amount of editing freedom they offer. That all being said, let's see how it works. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, launch the Settings app on your iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. Now, scroll down and select Camera to access your iPhone's camera settings. Next, tap on the Formats option right at the top. Finally, turn on the switch right next to Apple ProRAW. Now, when you launch the camera app on your iPhone, you will find the RAW option just above the viewfinder. The format is still disabled by default and your camera will continue to shoot photos in the HIC or JPEG format. However, to take a shot in ProRAW, simply tap on the RAW toggle once and you are all set as long as it is highlighted. Also, if you want to have ProRAW turned on all the time, you will need to do that in your preserved settings. From Settings, Camera Preserved Settings section. But for most people, Apple ProRAW is best saved for certain situations, for example at night or in contrasty situations with bright sunlight and dark shadows. ProRAW uses the industry standard digital negative file format, so you can open ProRAW files with apps that are compatible with DNG files. For the best experience, however, use apps that are compatible with ProRAW files, like the Photos app on your iPhone with iOS 14.3 or later, or on a Mac with macOS Big Sur 11.1 or later. You can share the original unedited ProRAW photo which has the DNG file extension, and if you edit the photo in the Photos app, you can also share the edited version which has the JPEG file extension when shared. A word of warning, ProRAW images are significantly larger than standard compressed files like HIC or JPEG, over 10 times larger, so you are unlikely to use the new format all the time. If you ever want to disable this feature, simply go back to the camera settings and then turn off the toggle right next to Apple ProRAW. And that's all there is to it. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.